If you're thinking about buying LiveAgent, there are 12 things you should know before making your decision. In this video, we'll break it down and compare it to some competitors in the help desk software space to help you make an informed choice. First off, LiveAgent offers a robust feature set that's competitive with top players like Zendesk and Freshdesk. But does it stand out? The pricing is one area where LiveAgent shines. Compared to others, its basic plans are generally more affordable, offering solid value for the cost, especially if you're a small to medium business. But keep in mind that some higher tier plans can become quite pricey as you scale. Next thing, LiveAgent's ticketing system is its heart and soul. It consolidates emails, live chats, calls, and social media messages into a single platform. This can really streamline operations, but if you're looking for a more advanced, AI-driven solution, some competitors might have more features in that area, like Freshdesk's AI-based support tools. The third thing to keep in mind is the live chat functionality. LiveAgent has one of the best live chat systems around, with customizable chat windows, triggers, and routing features. It's intuitive and helps reduce response times, but if you're running a high-volume operation, other platforms like Zendesk offer a slightly more refined experience with better integration with other tools. Fourth thing, LiveAgent also offers a call center feature, which is a big plus for businesses that handle customer support over the phone. It allows call tracking, recording, and routing, and integrates with VoIP services. That said, if you rely heavily on phone support, Zendesk's call center capabilities might be a better fit due to its larger suite of integrations. Fifth thing, its knowledge base and community forums are easy to set up and navigate. If you're looking to build an online resource for customers, it's pretty straightforward, but it lacks the depth and advanced options that some competitors like Zoho Desk provide, especially when it comes to integrations with other knowledge management systems. Sixth thing, LiveAgent provides integrations with over 200 apps. This gives you flexibility to connect it to your existing software ecosystem, whether it's CRM, e-commerce, or project management tools. However, some users report that the integration process isn't always seamless and can require more manual work compared to platforms like Zendesk, which offer more pre-built integrations. Seventh, the reporting and analytics features are decent, but can be a bit basic for more data-driven businesses. If you're after advanced reporting, you might find platforms like Freshdesk offer more robust analytics out of the box. Next thing, automation is a big feature in LiveAgent, helping you with ticket routing, follow-ups, and more. The tool automates tasks well, but if you need advanced automation features, you might find Zendesk's automation engine more powerful and adaptable. Ninth thing, LiveAgent's user interface is clean and easy to use, making onboarding relatively simple. However, it's not as polished or intuitive as Zendesk's UI, which has a more modern design and better accessibility features for both agents and customers. 10th, customer support for LiveAgent is generally reliable, but compared to competitors like Freshdesk, it can be hit or miss depending on your plan. Freshdesk's premium support options often lead to quicker resolution times, especially for higher tier clients. 11th thing, if you're looking for a self-service portal, LiveAgent provides one, but it's basic. The self-service options are fine for smaller businesses, but if you're looking for something more customizable or sophisticated, Zendesk's self-service portal is more advanced. The 12th thing, pricing is one of the biggest factors. LiveAgent's pricing is transparent, and while it's competitive, some users argue that the full suite of features may require a higher tier plan, which could add up quickly. If you're on a budget, it's worth considering alternatives that offer free or lower cost plans like Freshdesk. So, is LiveAgent a good option? Absolutely. It's a solid choice for businesses, especially if you're on a budget and need a comprehensive help desk solution. But if you're looking for more advanced features, particularly around automation, AI, or reporting, there might be better options out there. If you want to check out a better solution, we recommend you try out our recommended platform for free. It offers more flexibility, powerful tools, and an overall better experience for scaling businesses. Check it out through the link in the description.